Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with a craft haul video. I have a few items from Honeybee Stamps, Amazon, and Tuesday Morning. But first, I want to thank Natalie over at My Crafty Carousel. I won one of her drawings, and this is what she sent me. Got this cute little congratulations on a doily. I got this Hip Stamp Hooray flower stamp set, 14-piece. Layered stamp set. Thank you, Natalie. And then this one is the Tropical Stamp Set, 22-piece. Really cute, layered. And then I also received these DCWV Stamp and Die sets, 12-piece, called Christmas Carol. I really like that Santa there. Super cute. And then this one, DCWV, called Holiday Cheer. I love the tree, and it has the die to go with the tree. Really cute. So once again, that was Natalie with My Crafty Carousel. If you don't know her here on YouTube, you need to check her out. She has some awesome haul videos. So next up is the items that I purchased from Honeybee Stamps. I got this Fresh Brewed Gem Stickers, 300 count. I really like the brown in there. And then I got this super sweet little stamp set, and it's called Be Merry with the little bee. And it had a coordinating die set. I stamped the bee out to show you guys, and then I accidentally laid a baby wipe on top of it. So I'll have to come back with it. And then I purchased this 6x6 paper pad, 24 sheets, double-sided, called Bee Bliss, to go along with all the other bee items that I have. Look at this little chunky bee. He's so cute. Love these daisies. The little bee. And then the bunch of bees in this field of daisies. Really cute. Love the colors. Turquoisey, or it's not turquoise. I'm not sure what that color is. Really pretty. It's different. Geometric, and I love this page right here. I don't know, this is my favorite. I'm going to start using some more of my paper, pattern paper cardstock for my cards. I really like this one too. Geometric designs. And, oops. It's last piece right here. And then this back side of it looks kind of like it's embossed, but it's not. That's just like a honeycomb print. All right, that's the 6x6 paper pad. And then I picked up this die set. It's called Winter Village. Super cute. I saw Jennifer McGuire use this, and I thought this would be adorable for my cards next year and to make winter scenes on the cards. It's a lot of die cutting, but it's kind of straightforward there. All right, so from Amazon, I picked up this Spellbinders cutting die. It's called Christmas Blooms. And these are some of the dies that you cut out, the designs. I really like the poinsettia and the little acorn. I don't know, that's not an acorn. I'm not sure. Super cute. Love the poinsettia. And I put some of those little diamond looking drops in the middle from the Honeybee set there. So this one is called Christmas Blossoms, or Christmas Blooms, sorry. And then I picked up the companion to the post, little post thing. I can't think what it's called. Mailbox. And this is called Partial and Post Christmas Decoration. So I don't know, I wasn't too thrilled with these, but they'll do. And once again, this is looking toward next year on, designing some cards with this whole set that I have now. But they cut out real easily. So that's what I picked up from Amazon. And then from Tuesday Morning, I saw some Crafters Haul, one of my favorite sets that I bought from Tuesday. No, I think I bought it online, and this is the Simple Stories Simple Vintage Lemon Twist. And here's the 3 15mm sheet washi tape. I don't use a lot of washi tape, but this washi tape is really pretty. And then we have the 60-piece bits and pieces. Great price, $2.99. And since it's local, it's no shipping involved. That's the best part of buying at the craft store. And then this one is the floral bits. That big old lemon. That's what you get in there. And then the, I think it's 12-piece sticker sheets, 15, sorry. And these are the puffy or dimensional stickers. Really pretty. Look at that one right there with the little butterfly and the heart. Really cute. Then I picked up the chipboard stickers. It's a 41-piece. That one piece is floating around. And it's funny because it was the same piece and each of the ones at the store was poked out. So that must be the stressor bin right there. But I love this set, so I was so excited to pick it up again from Tuesday morning. Love this little 5-cent juicy stamp. Really cute. Also, I wanted to share with you my Christmas cards. I had showed them the other day, and I was kind of on the fence of whether or not I wanted to put the piece on them, and I did. So I have a few that I haven't mailed that I thought I'd share. It's really pretty green, and I used the whatever the wreath was made of, that's what I did the piece in. I really like this red one. This is really pretty. Turned out really pretty with the peace sign. Super simple. I didn't put any embellishments on it or any gems or anything. I thought, you know, the wreath itself was enough. So that's the Christmas cards that I wanted to show you, the finished version. And then also I wanted to go back to a die set that I purchased from Spellbinders, and I think it was, I purchased this off of scrapbook.com, but it is Spellbinders. And it's the Essential Floral Reflection 7-piece cutting die set, and then the Floral Reflection 12-piece cutting die. So you have this base piece here, and then you layer it with the florals that you cut out. So I wanted to share a few cards that I made with it. Finished these up today. A lot of die cutting, but I enjoy it. So I did this one, kind of like blue and purple and white. I have an embossing folder in my stash that I used. I think it's a cuddle bug, I'm not sure. Kind of a different design, but I thought it worked. And then I have this one, more red and pink. And this Thinking of You little stamp I picked up. I'm not sure what that stamp set is, but the design of this does have a little die cut for you to use, a circle die that I'm pretty sure they have sentiments to go with, but I just used this one on this card. And we'll probably go back and use the same one on the other cards. And then the last card was this really striking spring looking, and see, you put the circle there, or I may put one of the sealed drops here, the little ones from the seal collection. So that's my cards I wanted to share. Let me know what you think below. I want to thank you for watching, and if you're new to my channel, welcome, and you can, if you would, consider subscribing. And those are the Christmas cards. Show them one last time. All right, talk to you guys soon. Bye.